Okay, think back to grade school science class for a second. What's the one thing you learned about planets? They're round, right? Big ol' spheres? Well, what if I told you that's not always true? Today, we're looking at a discovery that completely shatters that simple little rule. Yeah, I'm serious. We all know the drill. Gravity pulls everything into a nice, neat ball. It's fundamental physics. But out there in the cosmos, the universe has some surprises. And this is a big one.
Yup, lemon-shaped. You heard me. Not a sphere, not an oval, not some weird potato thing. A lemon. A giant planet-sized lemon hurtling through space. How wild is that?
All right, let's dive into this. A lemon-shaped planet. Astronomers have found a world the size of Jupiter that's got a very, very strange figure. So here's its official name, and yeah, it's a bit of a mouthful. PSR J2322-2650b. This discovery comes to us from NASA's incredible James Webb Space Telescope, and right away, scientists knew they had something really weird on their hands. Its shape and what it's made of were just off the charts. But the weirdness isn't just skin deep. Oh no, the lemon shape is just the beginning. What's in this planet's atmosphere is maybe even crazier. Get this, its atmosphere is unlike anything we've ever found. It's mostly helium and something called molecular carbon. Now, what does that mean in plain English? Well, scientists think this combo creates clouds of soot. Just imagine that, a sky filled with floating clouds of pure soot. And if you think soot clouds are strange, wait till you hear where this is going. Because those carbon clouds, well, NASA puts it best. Under the incredible pressure deep inside this planet, they could condense and form diamonds. Yeah, it might literally rain diamonds on this planet. No joke.
Okay, let's just take a breath. We've got a lemon-shaped planet with soot clouds where it might rain diamonds. It's gotta be the weirdest thing out there, right? Wrong, because a planet this strange needs an equally strange partner. Let's talk about its star.
The lead researcher on this, Michael Zhang, said something that just blows my mind. He said the star has the mass of our sun, but it's only the size of a city. Just try to wrap your head around that. All the material of our entire sun crushed down into something no bigger than, say, Chicago. Look at this comparison. Our sun, it's huge, right? Almost 1 million miles wide. This star, same mass, same amount of stuff, but it's only a few miles across. The density is it's completely insane. There's really nothing we can easily compare it to here on Earth. Okay, so now we have all the puzzle pieces. A lemon planet, a tiny but massive star. How do they connect? Well, it all comes down to what we're calling the Great Cosmic Squeeze. So here's the big question, right? How does a star the size of a city manage to warp a planet as big as Jupiter? It seems impossible. But remember the key. It's tiny in size, but it is not tiny in mass. And here's the other piece of the puzzle. Proximity. This planet is 100 times closer to its star than we are to the sun. 100 times! I mean, that's just ridiculously close. It's basically being constantly blasted by its star. And that's the whole secret right there. Gravity. We take the full mass of the sun, cram it into a tiny space, and you get an unbelievably powerful gravitational pull. And since the planet is so incredibly close, that gravity is constantly yanking on it, stretching it out like a piece of cosmic taffy into that lemon shape. So, okay, let's pull back and just recap. What does this all mean? What's the takeaway from this truly weird world? I mean, what a list, right? You've got a Jupiter-sized, lemon-shaped planet. It's got an atmosphere of helium, carbon, and soot. It's a place where carbon clouds might actually form diamonds. And it's doing all this while orbiting a city-sized star that has the mass of our sun, which is squishing it with intense gravity. This one system basically throws out the rulebook for what we thought a solar system could look like. And for a little bit of fun, someone pointed out that back in 2011, the band The National released a song called Lemon World. I mean, you can't make this stuff up. The universe is apparently a fan of indie rock. And that really leaves you with a big, lingering question, doesn't it? If a world like this exists, a lemon-shaped planet of diamonds, orbiting a star the size of a city, what else is out there? What other mind-bending, absolutely impossible things are just waiting for us to discover them?